Hello friends. In the earlier video I have seen IUPAC nomenclature of various functional groups. Now today we have to see IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acids and its derivatives. First I have to begin with carboxylic acid. First, carboxylic acid. Here carboxylic acid is having general formula RCOOH. This is the carboxy group. Such carboxylic acids are named according to IUPAC as alkanoic acids. So the alkane last E is replaced using oic acid. Oic acid. So they becomes alkanoic acid. So carboxylic acids are called as alkanoic acid. Now here we have to see simplest example, HCOOH. This is commonly called as formic acid. Only one carbon is there. So one carbon means methane. This is COOH containing compound. So it is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Next, CH3COOH. Two carbons are there. So sorry, this is one, this is two. Two carbons are there. So its name is, commonly it is called as acetic acid. It is called as ethanoic acid. Why? Because of the two carbons. Ethanoic acid. Two carbons are present here. Now the next compound, CH3, CH, CH3, COOH. How many carbons in a straight chain? Always give first number to carboxy carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there. But the second carbon is having methyl group. So this is because of the 3 carbons, it is propanoic acid. Second carbon is having methyl group. So it is 2-methyl propanoic or propane 1-oic acid or propane 1-oic acid, just like our earlier nomenclature of organic compounds. Now I have to see a skeleton, COOH. Here we have one, again next to. Now see the carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 carbons are there. Because of 5 carbons it is pentanoic acid or pentane 1-oic acid. Here methyl is attached to second position and 2 methyls are attached to 4th position. So here 3 methyls are there, 2 are at 4th position and 1 is at 2nd position. So it is named as 2, 4, 4 trimethyl pentane. 5 carbons are there, so it is pentane. Pentane 1-oic acid or pentanoic acid. 2,4,4 trimethyl, 2,4,4 trimethyl pentane 1-oic acid or pentanoic acid. So in this way these are named. If 2 carboxy groups present in the same compound, then it is called as for 2-carboxy dioic acid. See the few common names of these compounds. COOH, COOH. This is oxalic acid, water soluble organic acid, it is oxalic acid. So how many carbons here? 1 and 2. So this is 2 carbon compound, so it belongs to ethane. So it's named as ethane 1,2-dioic acid. Why it is 1,2? Because first and second carbon is carboxy carbon, belongs to ethane. 2 carbons are there totally, 1,2-dioic acid or 1,2-ethane dioic acid or ethane 1,2-dioic acid. If CH2 COOH, this is called as malonic acid, commonly called as malonic acid. So in this malonic acid, carbon 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons are there. So it is propane 1 and 3 is the carboxy carbon. So it is 1,3-dioic acid. Now we have one hexane dioic acid is adipic acid. 1, this is COOH, this is also COOH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is commonly called as adipic acid. Adipic acid. What is the IUPAC name of this? 6 carbons. First and 6th carbon is carboxy carbon. So it is hexane 1,6-dioic acid. So it is hexane 1,6-dioic acid. So in this way, here we have seen IUPAC nomenclature of this monocarboxy compound and dicarboxy compound. Now we have to see cyclic compounds. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid, not cyclohexanoic, because here this carboxy is additional to the cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is having 6 carbon. This carboxylic acid is another group. So this is cyclohexane carboxylic acid, not the cyclohexanoic acid. So in this way, here methyl group is attached, 1-methyl cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So here we can give IUPAC names to the carboxylic acids. These are called as alkanoic acids. Next, derivative of carboxylic acid we have to see ester. Next is ester. Ester is having general formula RCOOR dash. So here it is named as alkyl alkanoid. This RCOO part is called as alkanoid part, and this R attached to this alkanoid. So this is alkyl alkanoid. Alkanoid is the fundamental name or parent name of this compound, while this alkyl group attached to this attached as a substituent. So it is called as alkyl alkanoid. It is called as alkyl alkanoid. Simple example: CH3 CO OCH3. So this is methyl attached to this 1 and 2. 2 carbons are there. So this is ethanoate. 1 carbon is methyl. So this is named as, this methyl should be named first methyl ethanoate, and this ethanoate is called as acetate. So this is methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. If we replace this methyl by ethyl, then it is ethyl acetate. CH3 C double bond O C2H5. So this is ethyl ethanoate. IUPAC name is ethyl 1 and 2. 2 carbons are there, so it is ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. It's commonly called as ethyl acetate. It is used as a solvent in various organic reactions. Ethyl acetate. So we can have different names of these compounds. We can take any group here, we can have any group here. So we can name simply by incorporating different groups to this oxygen, different groups to this carbonyl. We will have the various names of the compound. If I have CH3 CH2 CH2 COO C2H5. So here how many carbons? 2. So this is ethyl. Now how many carbons here in the alkanoid? 1, 2, 3, 4. Always give first number to carbonyl carbon of this alkanoid. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means butane, butanoate. So this is ethyl butanoate. Ethyl butanoate. So in this way esters are named according to these IUPAC rules. Now next compound we have to see anhydride. Anhydride. Anhydrides are the compounds which are generated from the 2 moles of carboxylic acids. When carboxylic acids undergoes condensation gives anhydrides. Anhydrides having general formula R C double bond O O C double bond O, here this R or R dash. So R C O O C O R or R dash. So here how these are formed? R C O O H and second mole of R C O O H. Here this water molecule is lost during this condensation, dehydration is taking place and gives this anhydride R C O O C O R dash, R C O O O C O R or R dash. So in this way, very simple and famous carboxylic acid anhydride is acetic anhydride. So how these are named? As these are formed from carboxylic acids, and we are naming carboxylic acids are alkanoic acids, these are called as alkanoic anhydride. Alkanoic anhydride. These are called as alkanoic anhydride. Count the number of carbons here and give name according to the number of carbons. CH3, CO, O, CO, CH3. Only count the carbons if it is symmetrical, only count the carbons from one of the sides. So this is 1, this is 2. So it is formed from the ethanoic acid, so it is called as ethanoic anhydride. Here is also 2 carbons, so only we have to mention one. What ethanoic? Ethanoic anhydride, or it is commonly called as acetic anhydride. This is used for the acetylation of different compounds, acetic anhydride. If I have propyl group is here, CH2CO, O C double bond O, CH2, CH3. So how many carbons here on the both sides? 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbons are there. So it is propanoic anhydride. One cyclic anhydride we have to see, that is from the succinic acid, CO, O, CO, O. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually 1,4 butane dioic anhydride, or simply it is called as succinic anhydride. Succinic anhydride, and it is called as 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, because of 4 carbons it is butane, butane dioic anhydride. This dioic anhydride indicates it is cyclic compound. So this is called as succinic anhydride or butane dioic anhydride. So in this way anhydride compounds are named. Now next compound we have to see acid halide. Acid halide, it is also called as acyl halide. General formula is RCO this X. These are called as, this group is called as alkanoyl group. This acyl group is called as alkanoyl. Count the number of carbons, on that basis give the name of that alkane. It is called as alkanoyl. This X is here halide, alkanoyl halide. For example, CH3, C double bond O, Cl. This compound commonly called as acetyl chloride. This is acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride is named as 1, 2. How many carbons? 2 carbons. So it is ethanoyl. Ethanoyl. What is halide? It is chloride. So it is ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. If I have CH3, CH2, CH2, COBr. So it is bromide. How many carbons here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane, name is butanoil. So it is named as butanoil bromide. Butanoil bromide. If I have different groups such as along with substituents CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, COCl. So it is substituted compound. This is chloride. This is carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. Always give first number to the carbonyl carbon of acid halide. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 butanoil, but in this butanoil second carbon is methyl carbon, so it is 2 methyl butanoil chloride. Cl is there, chloride. So in this way acid halides are named. If we see the next compound, nitrile. These are also called as cyanides. Nitriles are named as alkane nitrile. These are named as alkane nitrile. Simple, alkane nitrile, having general formula RC triple bond N or RCN. Here simplest example why to see CH3 C triple bond N or CH3CN. This is organic solvent which is commonly called as acetonitrile. Commonly called as acetonitrile. How many carbons here? 2 carbons. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2. It is called as ethane nitrile. Number of carbons, count the number of carbons and attach suffix nitrile to this. Ethane nitrile. 4 carbons if there, CH3, CH2, CH2, C triple bond N. 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons. So it is butane nitrile. Butane nitrile. Butane nitrile. So we can attach any group to this nitrile and accordingly we can name it. One benzonitrile is there, or cyanobenzene. It is called as benzonitrile. So in this way we can name different compounds. If you attach here substituents CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, Cn. So it is nitrile. How many carbons in the straight chain? Always give first number to the nitrile carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbons. So it is pentane nitrile. It is pentane nitrile. In this pentane nitrile, methyl is attached to second carbon. This methyl attached to fourth carbon. So 2, 4 dimethyl pentane nitrile. So in this way nitriles are named. Next compound we have to see amide. These are also called as carboxamides. Amide having general formula RCONH2. We have seen primary amines RNH2. Only insert carbonyl between amino group and alkyl group in the amine. So this becomes amide. Amides are named as alkanamide. Last E is replaced using alkane. Last E is replaced using amide. So these are called as alkanamide. Alkanamide. Count the number of carbons. Start from the carbonyl carbon of amide. Then select the corresponding parent hydrocarbon alkane and attach suffix amide to this. See example CH3 CONH2. Always give first number to the carbonyl carbon 1, two carbons are there, it belongs to ethane. So it is lastly replaced using amide, so it is ethanamide or ethanamide. In this ethanamide, this compound commonly called as acetamide. It is commonly known as acetamide. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CO, NH2. Count the number of carbons. Start from this carbonyl 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is butanamide. 4 carbons, butanamide. Here butanamide having second carbon is having methyl. So this is 2-methyl butanamide. 2-methyl butanamide. Or we can have the skeleton of this. Count the number of carbons. Carbonyl is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is again 4 carbons. So it is butanamide, but the second carbon is having Br. So it is 2-bromo butanamide. 2-bromo butanamide. So in this way amides are named. Amides are also substituted one. Substituted amides means this nitrogen is having substituent. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, this N yet CH3. So this is substituted amide. These are substituted amide. So nitrogen is having substituent. So this substituent, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Its parent compound is butanamide. So this is butanamide, but this nitrogen is having methyl. So it is named as N-methyl butanamide. Nitrogen is having methyl, N-methyl butanamide. If two groups are there, for example, C double bond O, N, CH3, CH3. So two methyls are there to the nitrogen. So this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pentanamide, but in this pentanamide, see the functional group CONR2. So this is RCONR2, and these R are methyl attached to nitrogen. This is attached to nitrogen, this is attached to nitrogen. So N, N, di means because two methyl groups, and 5 carbons are there. 5 carbon means pentane. So this is pentanamide. So name is N-dimethyl pentanamide. N-dimethyl pentanamide. If cyclic compound is there, for example, cyclohexane attached to CONH2. How it is named? It cannot named as cyclohexanamide. It is named as, this group is called as carboxamide. If it is present in cyclic system as a substituent, then it is called as cyclohexane carboxamide or cycloalkane carboxamide. This is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane carboxamide. Cyclohexane carboxamide. So in this way amides are named. So here we have seen various compounds such as carboxylic acid, esters, anhydrides, acid halides, amides, nitriles, and these substituted amides. So here we have discussed some compounds which contain single functional groups. Now in the next we have to discuss the difunctional compounds, means two different functional groups are there, then they are named as per the IUPAC priority order. So in the next lecture we will discuss about difunctional or polyfunctional compounds. So here we have seen various carboxylic acids and its derivatives. Thank you.